Hi, I'm Heather with the Keays Group, and these are the keys to your new construction home. We're here today at TriPoint Homes in West Summerlin. We're in the Overlook Community, which is in the Redpoint Village community of Summerlin. It's the Redpoint Village. So this is a single-story collection of homes, Overlook, and they're just beautiful. This is 3069 square feet. This is a single story with a 3-car garage. Very, very unique in that they don't build a lot of single stories with 3-car garages in Summerlin. So this is one of the unique communities. And I just love this modern look. Just walking up to this home, it feels very, very upscale and luxurious. You have a little courtyard right here, gated entrance. I'm sure that people are going to customize this when they're moving into the community, but take a look over here. You can see Red Rock Canyon, just to give you an idea, perspective of this neighborhood. Just stunning. So here we are at the front door that magically opens for me. All right, I like the way it smells in here already. It smells like a resort. So here we are. This is the den. Love the glass doors right here. We see these dens all the time and they don't have doors. This is what it looks like if you put glass doors in your den. So nice privacy. Again, more windows, beautiful windows. And then here we have a bedroom, a large bedroom. This is a very nice sized bedroom for a guest bedroom. The walk-in closet over here. And nice bathroom with a walk-in shower. They did do some upgraded shower tile, mud set in the shower flooring. And windows right into the courtyard. I would love it if they would put like French doors right there, would be perfect. Let's go on down here. What I like about this home, I can tell you already too, is it does have the beams and then it's kind of offset. It's not straight angled going down this hallway. So some character to this house. Here you have powder room, nice size powder room with the floating cabinets and lighting underneath there. Looks like that is a locked closet. Here's the dining room area. Wow, beautiful. Love this backyard. Love the decor that they chose. The furniture. This pool is great. At night, I bet this is all lit up with the strip back there. And then you have the same angling of the wall. You have it on this island with the waterfall finish on it. And that looks like a quartz on there. Probably one of the more expensive quartz choices. And it is two-tone, so you have quartz on this side, different color, and over here, even with the polish, you have a nice polished over here, and you have a more matte finish on this cabinet, and this countertop. And then the flush cabinetry. Just have to open this. Very cool. I like that look. Let's go over here. One thing that they put in here I'm not super crazy about is this lower end. The lower level looks like a microwave. It is a microwave. And then ovens, and then pantry right here. So more wood beam ceilings, and then the electric fireplace. I like the large format tile on that fireplace finish. That accent wall. More windows. Can't have enough windows. It's about 5:30 right now. It's not quite dark yet because we're still in the fall. Here's the primary suite. Beautiful vaulted ceilings in here. They chose to put in an electric fireplace over here and finish the accent wall, an upgrade on that one. And then here's the super shower. So they took the tub out and the shower and put in this massive super shower. Just beautiful. This is what we're seeing trending, has been for a while. But of course, it's all preference, so pick what you want to pick. Double sinks, and then of course vanity space, which is awesome. Closet space over here. Good, decent amount of closet space in here. I just love this TriPoint builder. They used to be Party, and I always wanted a Party home. Now they're TriPoint, and they just build a gorgeous property. You just don't see a lot of this kind of finish a home. So here we go. Single story. This is another den. This one's more open, could be used as an office. You have the laundry room with a sink. Lots of cabinets in here. You have the secondary bathroom over here. And then another bedroom over here. This is a little over 3,000 square feet, and I feel it. It's nice design, very nice floor plan. So that is this home in Overlook in the Redpoint Village. Be sure to like our video and of course subscribe to our channel if you want to see more home tours and more real estate talk in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching. I'm Heather with the Keays Group, and have a great day.